The opera is about oppression, about the fight for freedom, about love, loss, and the personal sacrifices for bigger cause. The music of this opera is absolutely stunning. Verdi has written one of the best tunes. Each number is more exciting and more beautiful than the number before. But the very specific thing about the tunes and the melodies in this opera is that Verdi hasn't written a melody for its own sake. Each of the notes exists because of the dramatic reason. And so that makes the entire opera such a fantastic time spending actually for the audience members.